the Sattvic concept of daily life. Namaste, welcome to Sattvic concept of daily life. Myself Chetana Badekar. Today I am going to speak about yoga for sports people. Sports is an important part of the student's life, as well as many people wish to continue their career as a sports. There is a difference between when you play sports just as a passion and when you take it as a career. Regarding the sports as a passion, it is very important for their life. It is bringing activity for you. It is making you energetic, free you from all the limitations and make you to experience the freedom. The scene what we can see here today, the background, how the children are playing, how the students are playing, it is very rare. The present generation is having a big challenge of space constraint, first thing. Second thing, they are engaged in the mobile related activities. Very rarely students wish to come out and play and experience the ground activities. But in villages and the rural areas, it is spontaneously happening, it is well and good, it should be appreciated. Coming to the sports as a profession, when you take a sports as a profession, it is important you need to add an activity like yoga, which can keep you calm and which will help you to warm down and which can help you to focus better. When you do a sports training or when you are planning a career, you will be getting lot of input on strengthening yourself, increase your flexibility, a good amount of time you are spending for making yourself strong. How to increase your activity, how to strengthen yourself, how to make you as a best player. But how much time you spend on yourself to warm down, to calm down, to restore that calmness and peacefulness of the life? How many tools you have to do that? There may be some warm down tools, but they are not that effective. How important it is to strengthen and increase your flexibility, make yourself fit, that important it is to have a tool to calm down yourself. Yoga is a technology which can be best suited for a sports person to help him to relax himself, calm down, strengthen his mind and focus better. There is no best tool than yoga, I feel. See, a person who is active on the ground for 4 to 6 hours or 8 hours in a day, he comes back to his accommodation. Tell me what technology he used to come out of that rigorous activity which he generated from the past many hours. Whereas yoga teach you some of the breathing technique, some of the guided relaxations. We call it as mind sound resonance technique, MSRT. It is developed by SVS University, which can really helpful for a sports person to restore his calmness, to come out of that vibrations or come out of the disturbances or the rigorous activity of the muscles. Meanwhile, this will also support your intellectual growth. Intellectual growth is also important. It's not only mind or the physique. You also need an intellect to play your game better. That will be supported with the practice of yoga. At least some part of their practice should be including yoga. Many sports academies across the globe, they are including yoga as a part of their practice or a support system. It is a technology. I am using the term technology, a tool, a best suited scientific tool, which will be very helpful for you. As you progress in the career of the sports, initially you will be a player, then you are supposed to lead a team, then you have to come up as a coach. There are different roles you play in this particular field, and in all throughout your journey, it will be supportive for you. That is why yoga can be a best tool for sports people to relax themselves, to calm down themselves, to strengthen their mind and to sharpen their intellect. And we don't want the entire yoga for a sports person. We are not going to make a sports person into a yogi. That intensive practice is not required for you. There are few simple tools which can make your practice or your journey better. As we say that yoga karmasu kaushalam, that says that we are not asking you people to take the yoga profession. Whichever the profession you are, you will be very skillful added with yoga. And it is the time to promote more sports to the people where they are engaged with the media related activities, media attractions, engaging the games of the mobile. All the time the people around you can see that they are engaged in their answering their WhatsApp, Facebook and other media applications. We need to have a time like this where you have to come out, experience the nature, sweat out and enjoy the freedom of playing. With that, I'll conclude the concept here. Thank you.